Hello there. Articles for traffic. Now, did you know that article marketing is one of the easiest and most targeted ways of getting traffic to your website? But shockingly, many people are quite simply doing it wrong. Article marketing is a method where you write articles and then distribute them in e-zine and article directories. People will read your article. They will then see the link in your resource box and click on that link to visit your website. That sounds cool, right? So let's look at the benefits of article marketing. Number one, it enables you to get targeted traffic to your website. Number two, it builds up your reputation as an expert in your niche. Number three, it's a very cheap form of online advertisement. It's practically free after all. Number four, it increases your search engine rankings for your keywords. And number five, it allows you to build a targeted list of prospects, all important. You can quite simply unlock the door to a flood of targeted traffic to your website using article marketing tactics, which the majority of internet marketers do not know about. Many people are blindly following the advice from forums and blogs on how to do article marketing. The advice normally given is to write as many articles as you can with links to your website and then submit them to article directories. It is so sad to see people sweating hard, writing the articles and submitting them to article directories, but only seeing a trickle of traffic. Believing what they're told to be true, they work harder and write more articles. And if they're lucky, one of their articles may be popular due to the search engine traffic, or maybe a popular e-zine will have published the article. But if they added up the hours spent on writing articles compared to the traffic that they actually got, then they'd have been better off buying the traffic with pay-per-click marketing. Now here's the thing. The amount of traffic from article marketing will shock you. Now, if you're not noticing a surge of traffic with every article you write, then you are quite simply doing something wrong. If you know how to write and promote an article properly, you only need to write 5 articles a week, and that will be all the marketing you'll need to do for your website. Now, here are some tips on how to write your articles. Number one, focus on specific keywords in your article. Keywords that your prospects will type in and be interested in reading. Blindly targeting keywords in your article is wrong. You need to use meaningful keywords. Number two, place your article on your blog first before submitting to article directories. Now, this is content which you've written, so don't be afraid of duplicate content. The introduction you write in your blog and the concluding remarks will make the article different. Number three, submitting your articles to article directories is not enough. You need to promote the heck out of your articles after submitting them. As for number four, the title, the introduction, the content, the conclusion, and the resource box are all equally important. If either one of them are poorly done, then the whole article will fail. Now, to get more article marketing tips like the ones above, all you need to do is sign up for the newsletter with your email and get ready for some serious traffic to your website.